Farewell to the pain in knees and joints with this powerful drink, from the first day. If you have ever experienced pain in your joints and knees, you know that this can be a terrible condition. There are many factors which can cause joint and knee pain, including old age, bad posture, and uncomfortable shoes. This pain can be unbearable and prevent you from performing the daily routines, making your life more difficult. We should mention that joint and knee pain can be also caused by obesity or extreme weight gain, so if this is the case, we recommend you to try a dietary regimen combined with exercise to lower your weight and relieve the pain. But, if the cause of your pain is not excess weight, we have the perfect solution for you, which will help you to eliminate the pain in your knees in no time. Instead of injections and medications, this powerful natural remedy will help you to say goodbye to joint and knee pain forever. Check it out. Needed ingredients: 1 cup of oats in flakes, 1 cup of 100% natural orange juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 cups of pineapples, chopped, 1/2 cup of crushed almonds, raw honey, optionally, to taste. Directions: you should pour the oats into a small pot and cover them with water. Cook on medium heat until the oats are cooked, then you should turn off the heat and let them cool down. Make sure to strain the oats, then add them to a blender with the other ingredients. Blend in order to get a smooth mixture. If it is too thick, you can add some water. Consume this drink cold. After just a few days, you will see amazing results. This super healthy smoothie will eliminate the joint and knee pain. Moreover, it will strengthen and repair your tendons and damaged ligaments. You will notice significant improvements.
Yeah.